So let's start. Here. First, you're going to remove the negative battery cable. Then you start with the stabilizer bar. Then you can take the elbow. And here you're going to use a 10mm tool. You have two nuts here and two under the elbow. Then you can disconnect the gas wire. And here, and also you should have something here which I miss. After that you can remove the vacuum chamber. You have two screws, one here and one over here. So simply remove this one. Then you have two screws here. One here, remove those two. And you also have one here. Now you should disconnect the hoses at the back of the intake. 1, 2, 3, or maybe one, and this one maybe is plugged. Then you have the ground cable here. Also remove this one. And here you have the vacuum hoses. I prefer to disconnect between the filter and the hoses here, but you have to be very careful because those could go. And then you have the hoses here. But be very careful when you remove these because it's very easy to break the filters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I prefer to remove this one between here and here. Yeah, you see it like this, yeah? Now you can disconnect those hoses here, which I already did. One there, one here, and maybe you have this one plugged. After removing the elbow, you just have a few things left. Removing the water hose here. You just loose it here. The water hose here. Connector to the TPS. Connector to the idle speed engine, and this one the connector to the intake air temperature. This one is a bit hard to reach, but it's not impossible. You also have the ground connector here, and this one if you haven't removed it. After removing those parts, you simply just lift the intake up carefully and see if anything is connected, if you have missed something. So just pull it up carefully.